My friend them said to me, say, Cathy, me and you go beach. Me say, all right, no problem. Yeah, girl, me not take long for ready. Just ready. How are my clothes? They come out and they say, then Cathy, you know I'm beard. Beard? People beard for go beach? Me shocked because I don't know them something there. Me a real country girl and people don't beard for go beach. When me see them come out, you know, me say, when they change your mind? They say no. So me say, I can't beach you now, go look so. Mama, 10 pounds of makeup. Year long down in them back. Them have shawl and trail and walk. When we go out now, go to the beach. Me one gun in the water. Body pose pan sand side. But me not wrong them still, you know. Because if them did go in the water and them a join on a ball out, help! Jesus, help! Jesus would have turned around and say, Abuda. We not recognize a person here. And God has said, no man apart. Jesus said, no, sir, I can't part. Pat was not so straight.